Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole. I have hooded eyes and I tend to do a lot of hooded eyeshadow tutorials on my channel, but I also do a lot of general beauty videos like this one today. We are talking about a couple new products I picked up. I always preface these videos like I don't go crazy when I buy new makeup. Like I'm not on Sephora spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I try to pick up things that I need or things that really spark my attention. In 2019, I'm really trying to focus my efforts on saving for a house. So I'm trying to be realistic when I purchase products. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna be purchasing things that I don't need this year. Like I'm gonna be purchasing the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette that's gonna drop in a couple weeks. Do I need that? No. Do I really want it? Yes. But these are some mainly, I don't think I have anything makeup related. No, I don't. I don't have anything makeup related in this video at all. So it's going to be a little bit different for me. Typically, I'm on here sharing makeup related videos, but I want to switch it up a little bit. So if you're interested in seeing some hair care, some skincare, and some nail care, go ahead and keep watching. I feel like Princess Peach right now with this bun and my giant ears. I've talked about this in a couple of videos. I don't have that like extra bit of cartilage that most people have right here that kind of keeps their ears pinned back. Wow, it would be so different if I looked like that, but my ears kind of flop outwards like Dumbo. I had to tape my ears back at graduation. So when I have my hair, and it's been a while since I've had my hair up in a tight bun like this, my ears kind of flop all over the place. But anyway, let's get into it. So the first product I picked up is the, I always pronounce this incorrectly, La Roche-Posay, I think that's how you say it, Lipikar Balm AP Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. I'm sure I butchered that, but look at how big this is. It's like almost the size of my head, and I'm going to use this as a face moisturizer. So I am obsessed with CeraVe, I keep calling it CeraVe, and I love their moisturizing cream, the one in the tub for my face, but as of late, I felt like it's been a bit too thick, and I've actually been mixing in oils. I think I talked about that in my last video when I was going through empties into my moisturizer, and when I mix an oil into that, it kind of gets this weird texture that I don't really like on my skin. So I have a really good friend who used to work at a dermatologist office, and she recommended this, and I did try it on my hands. I haven't tried it on my face yet, so I will be updating you on all these products. I haven't tried a lot of these. Some I have, but not a lot of them. I tried it on my hands, and my hands were moisturized. I put this on at like 11 and my hands were moisturized till like 6 p.m. It felt really good. So this is safe for the body and the face. So I'm really hoping I enjoy it. I have sensitive skin. My skin is not dry, like I've said in every video. In the dead of winter, I get dryness around my eyes and on my eyelids. But in the summer, which is almost here, I am just counting down the days. I think this will be good. Now I know it's still thick, and I still do enjoy a thick moisturizer on my face. I like that year round. I think I'll enjoy this, so I will keep you guys updated. Now it does say that it's for dry, rough skin, so if you're oily, I'm not sure how this will perform on you. I don't even know how it's gonna perform on me with my normal skin, but I'll keep you updated. Let me know if you guys have tried this below. I'm really excited because it's a really big bottle, and this was 20 bucks from Ulta, and I use a $3.50 off coupon. So excited about that. I guess let's keep with the face stuff, and then we'll move on to hair. So I picked this up at Trader Joe's today. I'm really excited. It's Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. I have a oil from Trader Joe's. Let me show you that right now. Let's hope and pray that the lighting didn't change too much, but this is the oil I have from Trader Joe's. It's the facial cleansing oil with argan and coconut oils, and I've really been enjoying this to take off my makeup. When I don't want to use a wipe, I put this all over my face, dry hands, and then I use these. I don't think I ever, no I didn't post this haul from TJ Maxx. Maybe I will have by this time, but I filmed a haul from TJ Maxx where I got these like facial like washcloth type things. It's kind of like the face halo things, if you're familiar with Chloe Morello here on YouTube. But I've been putting this all over my face, using that to remove my makeup when I'm not in the mood to use a wipe. This gets every speck of my makeup off. So anyway, if you guys have a Trader Joe's by you, try this. I've really been enjoying that. But I saw the Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum, and I wanted to give it a try. I talked about this in my empties. I have that CeraVe hyaluronic acid serum, and I just ran out of it. I need to repurchase it, but I thought I would grab this because it was $8.99 from Trader Joe's. So let's just take a look at the texture. It's a lot more watery than the CeraVe. Like I said, the CeraVe is almost like a mix of a gel and a cream. It has no scent to it, which is really nice, and this feels awesome on the back of my hand. I can't wait to, yeah, it's not sticky at all. Not like at all. It's rubbing right in. So I cannot wait to add this into my new face routine, especially for summer. I'm so excited to try new things. I've just been on a kick of skincare lately. I said this in the beginning of the year. I think this year is going to be like all about skincare. Yeah, that literally rubbed in, like completely dry. I'm really pumped for that. I think that's going to be a nice add to my skincare routine. But I think this year is going to be all about skincare, and that's why things like that are popping up at Trader Joe's. So I will update you on that as well. It gets overwhelming, so it's nice if you use the whole line. You'll have one scent across the line, but I'll let you know how this works. I am very excited to try it. All right, so on that same note, I actually have quite a bit of hair care stuff. I picked up the Verb Ghost shampoo and Ghost conditioner. Again, my friend recommended this, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm very excited. Like I said in my last video, I'm totally done with purple shampoos at the moment. It's just too drying for my hair. I still absolutely love my Sebastian Drench shampoo and conditioner, but I've just been in the mood to try new things for my hair because it's been so dry. So I'm excited to try these. She said that it is very, very nice on the hair and it's hydrating, but there was another kind, the hydrating kind, but she liked the Ghost better. The whole thing behind it is it's like weightless in your hair, and we think that there might be like quite a bit of buildup on my hair from so much products. We're actually going to do this treatment that she's been talking about. It's Malibu treatment, so I'll give you guys an update on that. Let me know if you guys are interested in hair videos at all below, because sometimes I just think you guys want to hear about makeup, but things like this, like a weightless shampoo and conditioner, will help. It also has oils in it, which is really nice, and my hair can definitely use it, and it says it helps with shine, and it's for all hair types. So really pumped to try these. I will give you guys an update as soon as I do. And then I picked these up. So I was eyeing these at Target and CVS for quite a while. So this is an old favorite, such a good product, even though it's drugstore. It's the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. I think you guys know all about this stuff. This has been around since forever. This was like, I used to use their mousse and hairspray in like grade school to scrunch your hair. You know how you used to do if you were like a 90s kid. But they repackaged this. Like they have it, and they still have it in that squeezy tube, which was really annoying. They repackaged it, and now it has avocado and jojoba oil. I like this package a lot better. It's a lot bigger, and it smells delicious. Oh, I love it. I love this stuff so much. I usually grab for this over like any high-end deep conditioner I have. I don't feel guilty using it because it's so affordable. I think this was like $5.99 from Target. So I know this is tried and true. I love it. It works really, really well on my hair. So in addition to that, I saw that they came out with, I think came out with, unless they've had this for a while and I'm just totally oblivious, the Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil. So like I said in my last video, I just ran out of my Kenra oil, and this has very, very similar ingredients, and it smells so good once again. So I'm really excited to start using this as a new oil for my hair. Again, it was around $5.99, so I'm not going to feel guilty using it. I never felt guilty using the Kenra stuff. I don't overuse oils in my hair because I don't wash my hair more than 2 times a week. So yeah, I'm really excited to add this in, and I'll give you guys an update on that as well. It smells beautiful. Go pick these up if anything from this video. I think you guys will enjoy it. I don't have my seal of approval on this one yet since I haven't tried it, but like any oil, if you have dry hair, is better than nothing, especially on your ends. All right, you guys, last thing. This is going to be a very quick video for me. Like I said, I'm trying not to pick up excessive things that I don't need. I picked up the Nail Tech for Weak Damaged Nails Strengthener Extra number 4. I think this is like on a scale of 1 to 5 for products. So here's what it looks like. So it's basically just a strengthener for your nails. I am sure you guys have seen these at Ulta, and I have had this in the past. I should have thrown that in my last empties video and I didn't. I just ran out of this stuff. I have maybe like that much more left and it's super thick, so it was time to get rid of it. But I have the most, oh, actually, it is only on a scale of 1 to 4. I don't know why I thought 6. It says 1 is normal healthy, 4 is weak and damaged. I thought I saw up to 6, but maybe not. Basically, it helps strengthen your nails, just like it says. I have the weakest, most breakable, ridgy nails in the world. I do a lot with my hands. I have a regular 9 to 5 where I am on my computer from like 6:30 a.m. to like 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. It's crazy. And I like wash my hands all the time because I'm taking my dog out all the time. I like clean all the time, do dishes all the time. So my nails take a beating, I know that, but they are also just weak in general and I'm not sure why. I don't have weak hair and my skin is nice, it's just my nails. And I take biotin. My friend told me to add vitamin E and fish oil into my like supplements, so I might do that, but this really helps my nails. I stand by this. I've been using it for years now and I like can feel a huge difference when I stop using this. So I think you're supposed to do this like every other day. I really just do it maybe once a week and I think it does help my nails. So if you guys are in the market for a nail strengthener, Nail Tech is definitely a good company. So that is it for all of the new products I picked up. If you guys have any questions, as always, please let me know below. Otherwise, let me know if you picked up a new product this week. I do want to pick up the Revlon Candid powder that Casey Holmes just reviewed. I could see a huge difference in it blurring her skin, and I don't need blurring so much, only in this area, so I do want to try it. It really caught my attention. So that's on my list of things I want to pick up. And I actually, quickly, we're going to go over this since it's only been a little bit in this video. I want to pick up just a few things from the Ulta, I think it's called 21 Days of Beauty. I'm just gonna quickly pull it up on my phone here. There really wasn't a lot that I wanted to pick up this time. I feel like they have really been repeating a lot of the stuff that they do like in every 21 Days of Beauty. So the only things I really want to pick up are on March 26th, the Nikkie Tutorials Ofra Highlight is going to be, let's see, it'll be $14.50. So that's on my list of what I want to pick up. I also want to pick up potentially the Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. That'll be $22.50 and that's on April 5th. Oh, the Benefit Gimme Brow, the volumizing eyebrow gel. Since I love the 24-hour brow setter, I want to try that. But that is really it for what they're offering. The Dermablend setting powders always catch my attention, but I never end up going through with it. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly throw that in there in this video since we had some time. So let me know if you guys want to pick up anything or if there's anything on there that I'm missing that I should be picking up. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video and taking some time out of your day to spend with me. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, I post every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central and every Sunday at 12 noon Central. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will leave my Instagram down below if you're interested in following me on there as well. I hope you have a great day and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching again.